So what are 3 practical hacks that we can apply in order to hone our quiet winning skills? The first one is do an integrity check or an integrity audit. We all have a favourite value. Choose your favourite value, the value that you like to live by, and then ask yourself periodically, are my actions fulfilling the values that I state? Make your decisions based around how they preserve your values, and also refuse to engage in situations that are going to contravene your values. Align your value, your decision, and your action. Use your values as your personal touchstone. That's quiet winning hack number 1. Quiet winner hack number 2 is make stopwatch decisions. If you've got your integrity locked in and you know where your values stand, then you can practice making decisions based around these kind of questions. Is this action going to promote my value? Once I've decided to engage in this, will it help me to improve my life? And ask yourself, where does effort create lasting progress? Where do the efforts that you make create long-term future banking progress? Lock in your value, lock in your consistency, and audit yourself and make fast decisions based around those things. Finally, quiet winning hack number 3, the 30-second reset. Sometimes we may find ourselves getting disrupted. Our emotional regulation might be under threat. We might find ourselves under stress, anxiety, second-guessing ourselves. Because being a quiet winner isn't just something that is handed on a plate, or it isn't a medal you wear. It is, as are so many of the things we need in life, a work in progress. Sometimes you might find yourself spinning out. Well, a 30-second reset is a pattern interrupt. Find some way to interrupt the negative thoughts that you're having. Move to another room. Ask yourself, does this match my value? And then go into a physiological pattern interrupt by taking 6 deep breaths twice. And having realigned yourself and refocused, then you can start to apply your consistent value stack and start stacking your quiet wins in a more integrated manner, shall we say. So there are 3 hacks for you. Have an integrity check, audit your values, make decisions quickly based on your values, and if you feel that your values are under threat, have a pattern interrupt and have a quick 30-second reset. Thank you for listening and watching this far, fellow seeker. I hope this has been useful to you. So I'm going to get going now and post today's offering, and I'll leave you with this one thought, if I may. Whatever it is that you dare to do or dream, begin it now.